If you no longer need to receive alerts or notifications on your Messages app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop Messages notifications on your Google Messages app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access your Messages app info page. For that, you just need to go ahead and search for the app through settings to get to the app info page, or the shortcut method is just long press on it, and then you should see app info. Go ahead and tap on it. If you can't see app info, you should see the name of the app or even a settings gear. Just tap on any of them to take you here. At this point, we need to go ahead and look for permission section, and under permission section, you can see we have notifications option. So if I tap on this, now you can see a breakdown of notifications on this app. There are so many notifications that I am receiving through this Messages app. Among them, permanent notifications, vibration, play sound, lock screen, float screen, as well as notification badges. With this on, that's why you have been receiving those alerts or notifications. To turn them off permanently, go ahead and toggle off show notifications. And from now henceforth, you never again receive any notifications when a message comes in or when you receive any message from your contacts. So this will only mean that if you want to know if you have any incoming messages or new messages, you must just go to your app for you to see your messages that have come in. So that's how you can permanently disable Messages app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.